Addressing the economic issues in Pakistan will require comprehensive and sustained efforts from the government, private sector, and other stakeholders. Some potential solutions to these issues include: 1. Inflation. The government can work to implement effective monetary policies to control inflation, such as raising interest rates, reducing government spending, and increasing tax revenues. 2. High unemployment. The government can encourage private sector investment and job creation through policies such as tax incentives and investment in education and vocational training programs. 3. Poverty. The government can implement social safety net programs, such as cash transfer programs, to support the poor and vulnerable populations. 4. Energy crisis. The government can invest in renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to diversify the energy mix and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The government can also work to improve energy efficiency through policies such as energy audits and building codes. 5. Core infrastructure. The government can invest in improving transportation and communication infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, and telecommunications networks, to support economic activity and investment. 6. Corruption. The government can implement effective anti-corruption measures, such as strengthening legal frameworks and institutions, and promoting transparency and accountability in public procurement and decision-making. 7. Fiscal deficit. The government can work to reduce the fiscal deficit by implementing fiscal reforms, such as reducing unnecessary government spending, increasing tax revenues, and improving tax administration. 8. Trade deficit. The government can promote exports and reduce imports by improving the competitiveness of domestic industries through policies such as investment in research and development, and improving the ease of doing business. 9. Agriculture sector. The government can invest in modernizing the agriculture sector, including improving irrigation and water management, providing farmers with access to credit and modern agricultural technologies, and improving supply chain management. 10. Education. The government can invest in education by increasing funding for education, improving the quality of education, and expanding access to education, particularly for girls and women. These solutions will require political will and sustained efforts from the government and other stakeholders to address the economic issues in Pakistan and promote sustainable economic growth and development. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.